Hello guys, this is Retro Gamer 2575 and we are gonna beat this little bird. Actually it's not little, but still. We're gonna beat this thing. Oh gosh. Okay. Don't even worry. We got this, yos. Oh! Dang it, dude. Okay, what are we supposed to do? What the? What the fuck? Okay, we have to just avoid its attacks until comes back down, I guess. Okay, that's easy enough. It's easier said than done. Actually, it seems pretty simple. But you know, people these days. God dang, dude. Not liking this bird. What are these things even? What is this? Flying freaking acorn? What? I don't understand. Okay, come on. Let's get down here. Get down here, come on. Oh my gosh, dude, are you serious? That's ridiculous. Huh. Okay, we're gonna go from here. God dang it, dude. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, that did not work. Dude, this is really starting to anger me. Okay. Here we go. I'm getting real... No, seriously? Oh my gosh, dude. Are you serious? And I have to start over. Okay, I'll just start from here, because that's freaking ridiculous. I'm not gonna start over because... How about you shoot yourself, you little fuck? Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Okay, we're doing a lot better now. Whenever he comes down, I'll just charge at him, and that should help. Alright, right here. Oh, okay. Alright, let's save that right there. Alrighty, there we go, there we go. Really hope this is helping you guys, especially the Magirocks. I don't know if I'm getting all of them, but I mean, I have quite a few, so I mean, I think I'm doing something right. Something. Okay, there we go, baby, there we go. Get out of here. That's so much bullcrap. I can totally hit him. Come on, get down here so I can attack you. Sorry if this is a lengthy battle. I can't do anything until he does that attack. What? You summoned help? Oh my gosh, that's poo. Oh my gosh, they use poo as what? They use poo as a attack? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Are you even serious right now? What the fuck? That is... Okay, this is a little redonk. Look at that. This is poo. That is poo. No, no, no! Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. Here we go. We got the poo stains. Poo stains. Got my life. It's at 69. Oh no. That's what it says? Oh no. Oh no, I stepped in shit. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, this poop and frickin' attacking it. Oh my gosh, this is getting redonk. Okay, here we go. We'll use that. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I need to start dodging these turds. Like literally. Literally. Okay, come on. There we go. There we go. I think I'm getting it. I think I'm getting it. Okay, come on. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Okay, where are we going? Nope. Okay. Poop. No, get that poop away from me. Literally. Oh gosh, I'm glad I saved. Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my. Okay, okay, okay. God, I can't believe poop is an attack on here. It seems a little... I like the humor, though. I really like it. Okay, we got life potion right here. What's this do? Oh, poop. That does not... Oh, no. Oh, crap on a tap. Oh, poop. Okay, I need to be, like, perfect. Okay, yep, so good for being perfect. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, we're gonna save. Get the poop away, get the poop away, get the poop away. Okay, no! Oh my gosh. I have a life of... Okay, at least I have 10 now. Dark twins. Voice, gonad. I have waited long for this moment. Birds change into monsters, should regain their forms. But remember this. It is still too early for the world to be resurrected. You must lead the growth of living things. Ooh, I get an egg. Ooh. It's gonna be a little gonad. No? Okay. Look at the beautiful eagle. Eagle. Oh yeah. I'm liking it. Beautiful. Beautiful. The birds can roam freely now. They can migrate. Be happy. Oh, dude, that is awesome. Can I talk to you? Dude, it's so freaking cool. Now that I can... Oh, I wish I could spread my wings and fly into the wide open skies, but the signal from Windval to fly hasn't come yet. Dude, this is so freaking cool. I love this. I love this game so much. So freaking perfect. Look at that. It shows like what you have done has helped this world. And it's so awesome. Where am I climbing to the top to? Dude, that is freaking... Oh, dude, this is so cool. I really need a place to get some bulbs. Maybe up here. Welcome to the magic shop. Thank you. Oh wait, that's not the right place. You know what? No, I don't want to use that. Jeez, that's a long fall. Where else am I supposed to go? Okay. This is Alabama. Alabama. Oh, it's the same thing for every bird. Okay, that's fine. That's fine with moi. I don't care. There's a bit of all. How did we... Wait, we went through here. How the heck? What did I do? I resurrected this place? I don't even know how the hell we got over here. I thought we resurrected the place over here. Huh. Is this a good thing, or what? Alright, we'll just, see what we can do over here, I guess. Because I have no clue. Maybe if we... What the... I'm so confused. I don't know where to go now. If... We wouldn't go back. No. Okay. Don't worry. Be happy. I really want to get over there. But I cannot. Okay. Well, I don't want to waste a video on me trying to figure out where to go. So, I think we will end here. I have no idea where to go. Sorry for the shorter video, but I guess that's what we have to do with. You gotta save. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. To help the channel grow, like the video and subscribe to become awesome. And you guys have a good day. Bye!